Instagram stories can drastically increase your sales. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 11 posts I think you should share. I just wrapped up a launch and I posted all of these. So I have exact screenshots for you of what I posted so that you can use these in your next promotion and save so much time. Because who wants to spend hours trying to figure out what to post? If you're new here, hi, I'm Louise. Here on this channel, I share all my best tips for growing an online business. So if that is something you want to do, definitely hit subscribe down below. So the very first story I recommend you post is detailing the transformation of point A to point B. So with all of our products, services, and offerings, we are helping someone go from where they are now to where they want to be, right? So that desired result. Okay, so what I want you to do is spell this out for people and let them know exactly what that transformation is. Yes, you may feel like you've already said this a million times, but I want you to lay this out very succinctly, very clearly for everyone who doesn't know exactly what your offer is or for any new people in your audience. So for example, for my course Passive Profit Accelerator, here is a post I did sharing exactly what the transformation will be. Okay, post number 2, you're going to take people behind the scenes and you're going to show them what your product or service looks like. So for example, for me, I sell online courses, so that means doing a screen share video and showing them exactly what the course area looks like, what all of the lessons are, what the bonuses are, and really get them excited for what it's going to be like once they purchase and gain access to that course. This does a few things. It really shows the value that is inside of your product and it makes a digital product feel more real. So to do this kind of story, you can either just grab your phone and then record your computer, or you can do a screen share by using a software like Descript. And with a lot of the stories that I'm giving you, you can use these again and again, okay? So once you've created this behind the scenes story, you can use this for all future promotions that you do of this product. We are working smarter, not harder. Okay, the next one is social proof of people joining you. I've done this in so many different ways over the years. I've done screenshots of the Slack notifications that we get that celebrate each student joining. I've done welcome signs from my dog Charlie. I've done happy dances, and I've done physical post-its to celebrate each student. This is a really great way of building momentum and showing that other people are taking the leap and choosing to make this transformation happen. Okay, so you can get creative as to how you want to show it, but I would definitely celebrate each new person in some way. The next one is very important, and that is testimonials. So whenever any testimonial comes in your business, you want to screenshot that and hold onto it. Okay, so I have an entire folder of all of the testimonials that have come in over the years, and that is one of the most effective tools that I have for marketing my programs, because people want to hear from other people that have gone through it. They want to hear what results they were able to achieve and see examples where they can see themselves in their story. So testimonials are massively important. And the great thing with this one as well is once you have them, you can just use them over and over again for any launch or promotion. So this can be screenshots of testimonials. This can be a testimonial graphic with a photo of the student. This could also be video testimonials. This is definitely something I would prioritize and make sure that you have once you start enrolling people in your programs. The next one is incentives to take action now. So there are a lot of fun ways that you can add incentives throughout your launch or promotion. For example, you could do a limited time discount where if people join in the first few days, they get a larger discount. You could do a limited time bonus, or you can do something like a special bonus for your first 10 customers only. That can be really fun. You can also do surprise bonus drops. So you can just do this whenever you want, and you can decide that, okay, anyone who joins on this day specifically will also get this bonus. Some other incentives that you might play with are the doors actually closing to your offer, or if there's limited spots. So for example, if you're doing something that's more higher ticket, you might only be able to accept a certain amount of clients, in which case you want to show that in your stories. With all of these, I would recommend including the countdown sticker so that people know exactly how much longer they have left in order to get that incentive. So for me, the ones I usually use are the limited time discount, and I usually have one bonus that will expire after the first few days. The next story I recommend you include is your why for achieving this transformation. So this transformation is something you have either achieved or you've helped clients achieve, I want you to share a more personal look as to why that was important to you. So for example, for me, for my program Passive Profit Accelerator, I talked about my why of creating a more simple leveraged business, okay? So this gets at the heart of what you're doing. Why is this really important? Why does this matter? And shares some personal insights into why you are teaching this in the first place, why you care about it, and what you're hoping you're going to be able to help them achieve in their life as well. Now, so far, we've been showing some excitement, we've been providing incentives, talking about the transformation, but you also want to make sure that you are using Instagram stories to start conversations with potential students or clients. So one of the best ways you can do this is you can use the poll sticker in order to start conversations. So for example, you can see me doing that here. I have you joined Passive Profit Accelerator? I have yes, just joined. I joined a while ago, thinking about it and not ready to create a course yet. So for anyone that clicked yes, just joined, I sent them a personal voice note or message, which was awesome and allowed me to celebrate all my new students and provide like that extra level of customer service and care. So I did that. And then for anyone that clicked thinking about it, that was a really great opportunity for me to reach out, start a conversation, talk to them about how they're considering the program and how I might help them figure out if it's a good fit for them or not. So yeah, use quizzes. You'll see me do this in a ton of different ways and just trying to help people figure out, okay, are you actually a really good fit for this program? The next one is really simple, and that is just sharing exactly what they get when they come and join you inside your offer. So you can see me doing that with just some simple text slides here where I am laying it all out and explaining exactly what you get when you come and join the program. So in this one, I've done a mock-up of my program and I'm saying that it includes everything I've learned in these 6+ years of selling online courses. Then I have another slide explaining the different sales strategies that I teach inside this program. Then I talk about how you get lifetime access because I think that is such a huge plus. And then I have a full checklist of everything that is inside this program. The next one is to use the question sticker and do an Ask Me Anything. So this is another really great way to open up conversation and to answer any of those final questions that people might have on their mind. Okay, so open up the conversation, be there for people, show that you are there to help them make the right decision for them. Okay, the next one is you are going to share helpful advice for anyone that may be feeling self-doubt when it comes to whether they can be successful with your product or service. So this is actually more common than you think. A lot of times it's not that people are doubting as to whether your program is great. They're actually doubting as to whether it's going to work for them and whether they're going to be able to achieve that result. So I want you to imagine that you're talking to that potential student that is feeling self-doubt in the moment, and you can call out specific reasons why they might be doubting that they'll be successful and provide your answer to that. Okay, so that's a major one that I want you to talk to is reasons why they might be doubting that they can do this. And then also I would do some stories just on the more common objections as well, like I'm really busy or not sure about this investment, those sort of things you want to also make sure that you are including, okay? So what are the common objections that you are getting to your product or service? Actually spell those out for people in Instagram stories. And finally, the last story I want you to include is what makes your way of doing things unique. So yes, there are going to be all these different programs and offers out there that can help people achieve this transformation, but what is it about yours that makes it different? So for example, for mine, there are tons of different ways that you could choose to build your online course business, but I know that mine is a simple, leveraged way that doesn't have you spending all of your time in the DMs or on sales calls. So I can really emphasize that and be like, nope, this is the simple, automated way of building your course business. So we need to figure out what that thing is that makes your program special and then really make sure that we are emphasizing that in your sales stories. All right, guys, those are the stories I recommend you post. I hope it was helpful seeing all of these examples and that it makes your life much easier for your next promo. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit subscribe, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you real soon with another video. Bye.